Hey everyone, it's Fet. I got some mail today. Let's open it up. Find out what it is. I have a feeling I know. I needed an upgrade from my upgrade. Let's get this box open. How many Fets does it take to open a box? Yep. It's my Zoom 2 USB podcast mic pack. Hopefully, you guys will be able to hear me now because I was using the JLab microphone and no matter what settings I tried, man, it was too quiet. So this one here was recommended by King Dolphin, Raymond Feliciano himself, so we're going to give this a shot. And I went with a boom. This should be the boom in this box. So is that if I ever have a tendency to do another 11-hour long live stream, I can do it comfortably, let's hope. So, yes, this is the Boya boom arm. I already have a pretty quality set of Sony headphones, but I guess it never hurts to have a backup pair. So, hopefully it's on to bigger and better things. Like I tweeted out the other day, I'm planning on spending a lot more time with you guys and girls here on YouTube. So, see you next year. Fet out.